topic tonight is
Virtual tourism.
BPC.
Wow,
What
bright
bright
and
and
breezy.
breezy.
Oh my god, so enthusiastic. Okay, now next question for the second question. My question is the opposite for the for the second question. My third question is, what is beneficial? Before is weakness, and now is beneficial or the strengths or the advantages.
Okay.
I start from Tenri, maybe. Yes, directly to answer it.
Directly.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
In your mind, what is the beneficial actually in this
Uh,
support system?
the beneficial
Yes.
of virtual tourism personally for me is because we just sit on the chair
Mhm.
and open our
And you can
application.
also lie down.
Yes,
not,
and
only, not only sit, but everywhere you can do
we
it.
can do anything that we want, and it's mean that it's very easy
Uh-huh.
to do it,
Uh-huh.
right? It's the first, and the second is also with our we can save our money.
Mhm.
We don't buy tickets
Mhm.
for a hotel, flights,
Mhm.
and food over there,
Mhm.
and also the last is decreasing our emission CO2
Yeah.
because we don't use any vehicles. We
Mhm.
just sit on the
Mhm.
chair
Mhm.
and open the
Oh, you are
application.
very smart because you kind of think like that. It's so.
Have
uh-huh.
the books.
Uh-huh. Yeah. And
Yes, that's all for me.
okay,
Yeah.
for a while that's it.
Yeah.
Okay, what about you, Samantha?
Okay. Same with Kak Tandre is that the
Do
most
not
important thing
copy.
is it's totally murah. It's cheap, right? It's not that expensive
Mhm.
when you really do the the conventional or the actual
Mhm.
tourism.
Mhm.
So you don't have to buy ticket to go there the destination. You don't have to buy the food to eat in there in that place.
Just open your refrigerator while you
Yeah,
visiting
just
virtual
open your
tourism in front of you
refrigerator when
guys,
you
right? Yes.
enjoy the destination. And also the most important thing is that you can change, like you can change the destination, for
Mhm.
example, from this place to another place.
Mhm.
So in just a certain way, or in certain times, you can move from this place
Mhm.
to another places. So yes, that's the thing, the strength of virtual tourism.
That's a view beneficial in your point of view, right?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. What about you, Wahid? What
Uh,
is the beneficial or advantages of this super system?
the advantage about the filter tourism, yeah,
Yes.
for the first, it's preventage of spreading the COVID-19. Yeah, we know about
Yeah.
the
Right.
disease. We know COVID-19 sometimes decrease in. Yeah, yeah. It is one solution if we want to go to anywhere without go in real body. Yeah, we can. One solution, yeah, is virtual tourism. Yeah, for the second, yeah, is cheap. Yeah, we can go.
Cheap?
But
Like sedekah?
uh,
Kidding.
or
Uh-huh.
maybe free, yeah, because we just click this in social media.
Uh-huh.
And the third, yeah, maybe menghilangkan kebosanan. It means yeah, yeah, sometimes we bored, sometimes, yeah, we happy. Yeah, if we bored, yeah, yeah, just go to the link. Yeah, we enjoy the virtual tourism. And the fourth, yeah, we can what is adding
Uh-huh.
the new knowledge
Uh-huh.
about the new uh the the new central, like we just know about like Jakarta
Okay, yes.
or something like that.
Immediately grab it fast. Wahid, come on.
Yeah.
Grab it fast.
Grab
Just okay. Okay. This package is the very cheapest. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. What about you, Yusril? From Maros. Is it?
Okay, yeah. I want to explain from the English literature students' point of view,
Mm-hmm.
because one of my major is cross-cultural understanding. So to understand the another country culture, so we can just see from the camera by access the virtual tourism without visit the real country.
Okay.
So as a student in English literature department, so it's very helpful for me, especially in knowing their culture, because we don't pay too much like pay the ticket or many things. We can just sit down or laying down and show and see the real culture of a country, for example, or a place, even in Indonesia or Java. That's very helpful for me, and I think that's recommended.
Like like a visit.
Yeah,
Right?
visit. Yes.
You will get the in bahasa gambaran how looks like that place before you visiting real
Yeah.
visit, right,
Yes.
by yourself. So it can help you to execution or determine where will you want to go, where the how to say the facilities, where is the exact location, what is inside there, and etc. Something like that, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, Yusril. Just it, or you can
Yeah.
you want to be
Next
make
question
addition?
maybe.
Okay. Oh, you like it. Okay. My next question is, if you want to visit, this is still about tourism, of course, absolutely. Because you don't have access right now to go in real place. I mean, real destination. Maybe because you don't have much money first, right? The second is pandemic COVID-19, and the third is you don't have much time to go there. But before you will real there, what kind of place do you want to visit, especially for in abroad, and why? I start from Samantha.
So, the place that I really want to visit using the spiritual tourism, right?
Yes.
Yes.
I mean, you want to visit by real, but before
Oh,
you
by real-
make it
real, but-
happen in the
uh.
real, you need to visiting in virtual tourism.
Okay.
Yes.
So, it's actually Europe.
Which one?
Yeah,
do you
which
get? Because
one?
it's very large.
For example, like
Ukraine or
California.
Russia?
California, for example, Los Angeles.
Okay, LA.
Yes, I really go there. I really want to go there because I have watched like a lot of YouTubers and a lot of vlogger from there. So I follow them because I really want to know like their culture or the way they behave every day or the way they act every day.
It sounds
and
like just the way you are.
yeah.
You make it angry
Yes.
about it.
So I think those culture, those places that I really want to, because that's one of my dream. Like if I have the opportunity to go abroad, I
It's
really wanted to go
Is
there.
it your is it your dream, right?
Yes,
Not
one of
that
my
her.
dreams. Yes.
That her. Not it. Okay, thank
That's
you,
one of
Samantha.
that's already put on my bucket list.
Mhm.
That the
Oh.
thing that
Yeah.
the places that I want to visit. Yes,
Nice.
those places.
Nice. Okay, Wahid, what about you? Which one the place you want to visit before you real visit there?
I think Saudi Arabia.
Which-
in
Which
Mashallah.
the part? Which the part?
Oh, maybe Mecca and Medina.
I mean.
Yeah,
Mhm.
yeah, I want, yeah, in fact, I want to go to there for study or something like that.
Only study?
Studies,
What about pilgrimage?
pilgrimage.
Yes. Pilgrimage
Oh
to
yeah,
Mecca.
yeah. I want, yeah, sure. I want to do that.
Don't you want?
Like the second place, like yeah, maybe like I Washington DC for study
Oh,
about
Washington.
English or something like that. Because yeah, it interested if
Mhm.
we go to abroad, learning many things, the new knowledge about uh, about about it.
Mhm. After this, you must be visiting in virtual tourist and open your laptop and get the package. Okay, what about you, Yusril? Do you get my point?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, one of my target country is, of
Yeah.
course, USA, because that's
Which
not
part?
not. I don't really know the
You have to
the specific
execution.
place.
Yeah, because USA is very large, one of the largest country in the world.
Yeah, so that's why I need virtual tourism to know the specific place there.
Okay,
Yes,
okay.
yes,
Good, good,
Yes.
good,
Yeah.
good.
So because not only holiday, but also I want to like school there,
Mhm.
learn many things there. So I need virtual tourism to teach me or to show me what
To
kind of
direct you.
yeah
To direct you.
direct me
Mhm.
to like show me what place the good for study and what is the big library there, so I can visit there if I have time to go there and learn there. So before I real visit in
Mhm.
USA, I can learn many things by virtual tourism.
Mhm.
It's like pra
Yeah.
what?
Yeah.
Sorry,
Fraternity.
pra tourism. Okay. Yeah, I think that's all.
Okay, nice. What about you, then, Chanri?
Tendrai.
Yes.
So because I'm the last,
No, you're the last but not least.
so I just want to visit Qatar and Turkey.
Uh-huh. Oh, it's your dream, Cappadocia?
That's not your dream, Mas.
Oh my god. Why? Because I just want to. It's not continue, but just a short course over there, and I just want to holiday and get some culture about Arabic there.
Do not always say just. Come on.
Oh,
You will be satisfied when you real there.
yeah.
Not only just. What else?
Just it. When I was young, I want to
Huh?
go
When you
to.
when you still young? So right now, you're
Yeah.
uh-huh.
Seoul,
Uh-huh.
but I changed my mind.
Really?
Yes, because we are Muslim, right? So
Okay.
you know, that's all.
Okay, thank you, Henry. Okay, we move to the next question. What is the next question? Can you guess it? Maybe before we continue our discussion, let's take the commercial break before. Okay, don't go anywhere, guys. Stay tuned in Smart Listener in Smart FM 101.1.